Good old sleeping spot on the side of the highway. We're sleeping on the side of the highway. The sun is setting in the desert. And Laura's still hunting something. I don't know what she found, but she's got something that she's been running from bush to bush. Probably lizards. And I'm gonna go to bed right here on the side of the highway in Nevada. And tomorrow it's on to California. And sailboat. Maybe. A lot of things gotta fall in place before Sunday to get a sailboat. Or just, I'm not gonna get a sailboat tomorrow, but a lot of things gotta fall into place before I can get a sailboat. But hopefully they will. Because I really want one. Too early in the morning to roll the windows down, so you gotta look through the same pieces of glass that I do. On the 5 freeway. This is the 5 freeway. All the way to the Atlantic and back to the 5 freeway. It's hot. Nasty. I need to find the coast. The Pacific coast. Bye-bye. Why don't we just dance? 25 miles from Santa Cruz. Morning from Highway 1. Nora and I have made it to the Pacific. We actually arrived last night. I didn't film anything. I just kind of went down to the beach and had dinner and played with Nora. And appreciated the fact that I drove around the country. And am now back on the Pacific. And I am driving down to Moss Landing to look at a 30-foot Choi Lee sailboat this morning. Maybe. You.  25 miles from She's out there somewhere. I don't know if she's out in that group or somewhere else on the Pacific. I'm here 2 hours early to look at a sailboat, a Choi Lee 30-foot Ludders designed sloop over there. And yeah, feels good. I like this place. I've only been here a day, so it's a little bit much to say, but don't have nearly enough cash to buy the boat outright, but maybe the owner is willing to work with me. Maybe he's willing to sell it for really cheap, who knows? Wants someone to take over his slip fees, I don't know. We'll go talk to him in a couple hours. Gotta look at the boat, see if I even like the boat. But yeah, welcome to the Pacific Ocean. I'm glad you made it this far, and I'm hoping we go a lot further. Laura just had a first. She handed this lady over here her seashell because she's expecting her to throw it, as everybody always does. They throw things for her. But this lady decided she wanted to keep Nora's seashell. So Nora doesn't know what to do about that. Nope, Nora, you gotta leave it. Give me my shell back. That wasn't a gift. You're supposed to throw it. I think that's the boat right there. We'll go see. It's supposed to be named Zenkali. Zenkali. There's the boat I thought was the boat, but that's not the boat, because this boat's named Heyday. Pretty boat, but not the boat. Here's a Choi Lee. Big sloop. Now that's a good sailboat name. Here she is. Zenkali. The project sailboat. It's gonna look a little better on camera. So she's definitely a rough old boat. Pretty lines though, right? That's what they say. What am I doing? What am I doing? Not only do you get a sailboat, but you get an entire ecosystem. That's the rudder. That's the same darn sore I've been dealing with since last December in St. Petersburg Beach. It's over half a year. It's like 8 months of dealing with a sore. It sucks. I can't get it to heal. It's not good. Guess I need to go have a doctor look at it. Walmart parking lot. Staying the night in the back of the minivan. I looked at my sailboat today. Not my sailboat. I'm not sure I want it to be my sailboat. It's a lot of work. I don't know. I would take it if it was free, but it's not free. It's $4,500. It's in such a cool area, or so I think. I haven't looked at many marinas yet, so I need to wait. It's only $250 a month for the slip, which is really cheap, in my opinion. But I should wait a little while and see if something better comes up. I'd rather have something where the inside was almost stripped already, so I didn't have to strip the inside of a boat. This one's got all the woodwork and everything intact. I really don't think I want to do that. I want to be patient and find something that's stripped. I feel a lot better now that I just had a shower. I had to pay $6, but I got a shower and I feel much better. Nora's feeling good. Wasn't so hot today. And I'm gonna go edit some videos in the back of the van. And keep looking for a sailboat. Off to look at another sailboat. This time it's a Pearson Triton 28. And it's out on a mooring, so I get to take a dinghy ride out to look at my sailboat. It's not my sailboat, it's a boat for sale. I gotta stop thinking that way until I purchase a boat, and then I can call it my sailboat. This is somewhere in between. And should I have brought my camera with me or what? The still picture camera. That is pretty. Should have brought the still picture camera out today. I get to move my sailboat in a little bit. Gonna go test out a slip. See if it's gonna fit. Get into a marina just around that point down there. Good morning from California. I am now the proud owner of a 28-foot Pearson Triton sailboat that still needs a home. But yeah, I got my sailboat. Made it to California and purchased a sailboat. I'm happy. Nervous. Tired. Haven't slept the past 3 days. Hi. Need to get some sleep. It's gonna be a long, I don't know. I got a sailboat. That's what matters right now. Unbelievable. I might be staying here for 2 years on a sailboat and in a van. It's gonna be tough. But I'll make it work. It's too pretty not to.